Hi friends, good morning. Expecting all are safe. Institute has released last 2 days back, that is a one notification on 15th 9 2020, that is a clarification for December 2020 term examination. I am just going to explain here whatever the syllabus is applicable and till what date it is applicable. So watch this video till end. Let us start. Clarification for June 2020 and December 2020 term examination. First one, company's cost record and audit rules 2014 as amended till 31st May 2020. Company's cost record and audit rule 2014 amended till 31st May 2020. It is applicable for inter and final, that is paper 12 and paper 19. Information uploaded under they given the one link, so there the supplementary will be applicable. You will get whatever the documents they will upload there, so you'll get. As of now, if it is not there, they will upload soon, you no need to worry that. That is first, company's cost record and audit applicable inter and final, that is a paper 12 and 19. Supplementary they will provide, the link already they have given. So second one, CAS 1 to 14 amended up to 31st May 2020. Whatever the amendment happened till 31st May, if you want tax also, GST also, 31st May 2020 till whatever the amendment done, it will be applicable this coming December 2020 examination. Keep in this mind. Says 1 to 24 amended up to 31st May 2020. Intermediate and final syllabus, it is applicable for inter and final, paper 8 and paper 19. So it is applicable. Supplementary they will provide on this link. So second one says 1 to 424, it is applicable for inter and final. For paper 8 and 19 they will upload the supplementary. 13 one, Companies Act 2013 applicable inter and final. For paper 6 and paper 12 for inter, paper 13 and paper 17 19 for final. They given here details. So Companies Act 2013 applicable for inter and final, paper 6 and paper 12 for inter, paper 13 and paper 17 19 this is applicable for final. They given explanation here whatever the things are applicable. The provision of Companies Act 2013 and 16, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, along with significant rules, notification, circular orders. Significant rules, notification, circular orders issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The laws covered under the corporate law as amended by concerned authority, including significant 31st May 2020, would be applicable June 2020 and December 2020 term examination. Whatever circular notification order issued till 31st May 2020, whatever the amendment happened, it will be applicable, and link they have given, so they will upload soon. This is Companies Act inter and final, paper 6, 12, 13, 17, 19, and the link they have given. So next one you can see here, Finance Act 2019, it is applicable for inter, paper 7, 11, 16 and 18. Amended book also there and updated book also there and link also there, so you can refer whatever you want. Finance Act 2019, it is applicable for inter and final, paper 7, 11, 16 and 18 for inter and final. Amended updated book also there and link also they have given. GST for inter and final, GST it is applicable for inter and final, paper 11 and paper 18. Link they have given, and amendment whatever updated book also there, so you can refer that if you want. GST inter and final, paper 11 and 18. Whatever updated book also there, if it is you are going for supplementary, you can go through the supplementary also. Ind AS it is applicable only for final, that is a paper 17 and link they have given. Ind AS it is applicable only for final, not for inter, paper 17 and link they have given here, so you can go through it. So this 7th one, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, this is applicable only for final, paper 13 and link they have given, and book already they have updated, you can refer